What's up guys, we have today a 2012 Audi Q5. We're going to be installing this 12.3 inch infotainment screen right here for its harnesses. Okay, it's going to go here. I'll show you guys how it looks after installation.
Bueno. Cayó la mamalona, cos.
Allá atrás está el factory también. ¿Qué es lo que le iban a dar a este camarada?
Ahorita checo.
Sí, la tienen, pero no es.
So what are we doing here, bro? Trying to get the seats out. ¿Qué hace?
Ok, para todos los clientes nuevos de A&J Auto Sound, tenemos un descuento de 20%. Solo tiene que dar el Instagram. Solo tiene que decir que viene de Instagram y le vamos a dar un 20% de descuento.
Pagando pastel, ya veo.
Claro.
Ah, camarada.
Échale, Fene. Siento para atrás.
Ok.
No le vas a soltar, porque ahí va.
Espérate, pero sí, pero todavía no lo pongan en reverse. O en drive.
¿Se abrió? Ok, suéltalo.
¿Ya? ¿Lo suelto o no?
Ya. ¿Has prestado una toallita? ¿Tienes una toallita ahí?
No. Lo voy a soltar, Una toallita. Ahí la que traían ellos. ¿Le dijo a usted con qué bocina le iba a dar?
¿Bocinas para qué?
Del woofer.
No, yo no hablé con él. El Amado fue el que hizo la venta. Yo le dije que le preguntaran al Amado.
Te pregunto, Amado. ¡Amado!
No, sí, güey, pues estamos como música con una
O mejor le ponemos una Alpine.
12, güey.
¿Uno Type S? ¿Cómo ves?
Sí, güey, Type S, Simón, esta también.
Sí.
Ya, para que recoja un ratito. Esta, güey, Simón.
Alright, so we got access to the battery to hook up the base, because we're also going to be installing a base here. So we're going to connect it to this battery. So this is stuff we're going to be giving the customer. Damn, that woofer's tired as hell. Box right there. That's the amp kit right there. Check it out. It's pretty quiet today. Trying to see where to put the amp.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Well,
Does it come with a bass amp?
no, I didn't see one.
No? Huh. Alright. See these guys right there? So they're supposed to bring cars in, try to pull them over, trying to see what they want. Hard workers, man. At least most of the time. Oh, it's tough. Ya ponen arriba.
La antena.
Oh.
La antena.
Sick asshole. Así está trabajando usted, Yes. Just like that. Such a slow day at work. Just, we have this car. Damn. It's a Thursday. Now, where are you running those wires to?
Everything is in the back. And the battery is under the wheel. The inputs are right here. Base is simple. The hard part is the radio.
He's working on it. You can see it from here.
Big boss.
Big boss. All these guys ever talk about is soccer. That's all you're gonna hear them talk about. This guy too. Diga algo a la cámara.
I don't like it.
Look at all this mess. And that's every day. Almost stepped on this. Ahora sí prendió. Por atrás. Ahí le van, acepta, es mejor. Ahí está. Let's see what we got going this time around. Let's see. ¿Cómo vamos ahí?
Bueno, tiene que regañar.
We got working here and over here.
No trae manualito o algo, no trae nada.
No, pues también nunca traen instrucciones. Cálmese, pues si todavía no se termina.
Sí, pero pues pasa
Full schedule and list of artists at livenation.com. Part of the Mercury Insurance Concert Series.
¿El de usted o el de mío?
FSC car kit.
Creo que es el FSC car kit, right? Está calando. Ah, bolita de Batman. Do not connect to Bluetooth. Ahí está, a ver, ¿qué pongo música?
¿No se oye? Ok.
No, hay que maybe cambiar de media. Connections right now. Second one. Alright.
I'm gonna make it neat.
You're making neat?
Yeah.
Alright.
Not finished.
What happened?
I don't want to break it. I'm being careful.
¿De dónde agarraste las señales, güey?
From the sub.
No, he's talking to someone else.
Like, what the fuck? What's the matter?
Estamos grabando aquí en nuestro nido de empleados, haciendo un Mercedes, un Audi.
El ploga no cabe en la...
¿No será para algo?
I was timing it stopped fucking halfway, and it stopped fucking doing it, and it fucked this thing up, it fucked this up. I tried
Porque lo metiste
fucking...
terroscado.
This is how they work. Try to get the customs right here.
Audio. Most. ¿Qué dice? Most audio.
Most audio in. Most audio in. No sé. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ahora sí ya está sonando.
Pero ¿por qué no habla? Los agarraste, ¿no?
¿Ah?
Los agarraste.
Oh. Alright guys, we're almost done with the installation. All we gotta do is we have to make sure the back of camera works. For some reason it's not working right now, so we're trying to see what's going on there. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
¿La llave? Y ese le repite su madre así valiente. Así le digo más de siempre.
Try new model?
Cover short. Ya miraste que uno no sirve.
I tried a new one and the same shit.
Ya miraste que uno no sirve. Miraste dos que no sirven.
Right.
El tercero, este no bueno. Miraste, hay que...
I mean,
esa es la
yeah,
idea.
that's where I'm at.
Okay. Yo siempre le he dicho que estos carros, aquí está la inicio.
No lo ha dicho.
Todos aquí de todos. ¿Cuál es la primera vez que te digo?
Not the first time, but you're always fucking saying the same thing. Oh, siempre ha dicho.
Ok, tú me colocaste, no te voy a ayudar y tú vas a hacer las cosas.
But I always told you this.
We got the woofer in. 12-inch Alpine Type S. It looks pretty good. So you're pretty much done here, huh? Alright. What's up? Got the stereo all the way. Yeah, everything's working. It's just that for some reason the stereo won't turn off. Just trying to figure that out. think probably that harness that we had left over, we gotta connect it somewhere. So I want to say we probably spent about 30 minutes trying to figure out what was wrong with the stereo and why it wouldn't turn off. So after a slight rewire and a few headaches, we finally got it working. ¿Y ahora sí ya se apaga? Pretty much all we had to do was make sure everything was working and the installation is complete. This is how it looks. And it's done, that's it. Well, I already left, so, but it's done. Thank God. And the day's over just like that. Just like that, it's over. Now we got a mess to clean up.